What is retro? If you're an employer in Washington State and insure your workers through the Department of Labor and Industries, L&I, you are eligible for Retrospective Rating. Retrospective Rating, or RETRO for short, is a safety incentive program created by the legislature to incentivize employers to have a safer workplace. Participating in RETRO allows a company the ability to receive a partial refund on the workers' compensation premium paid to L&I. WMC will be your representative to L&I to maximize this refund by managing your L&I claims, helping you have a safer workplace, and reducing your experience factor. You can participate on an individual level or as a group. WMC and WMC Platinum are two retro groups for manufacturing companies or companies with a manufacturing component. In a retro group, multiple employers work together to minimize the number and cost of claims by focusing on safety and best practices. As of 2018, the WMC has averaged a 23% refund for its members, totaling over $50 million refunded. WMC is comprised of over 150 manufacturing companies dedicated to promoting safety in their workplace. WMC Platinum is comprised of only companies with proven safety and loss prevention measures. The elite nature of this group will allow WMC Platinum to receive higher refunds. If you would like more information about the WMC or WMC Platinum retro groups, please contact us at 360-438-0880.